Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2002 EC paper. The question is the convolution of x of t plus 5 with the impulse function del of t minus 7 is equal to what? So they ask x of t plus 5 star convolution del of t minus 7. This is what they asked. We know the property of impulse x of t minus t1 star del of t minus t2 is given by it is x of t minus t1 minus t2. This is the property. So x of t plus 5 star del of t minus 7 is given by x of t plus 5 minus 7, that is equal to x of t minus 2. So use this property and get the answer is x of t minus 2. That is the answer. Option C is the right answer. Thank you.